You know how they say it's not a sandwich unless you have mayonnaise? I just got some chicken. Put it all on there perfectly and everything, right? Turn around, here's the fridge. Go into the fridge. There's this. What the hell is this? It's a new kind of mayonnaise I've never seen before. Let's taste it. Ugh. Tastes like shit. Grossest mayonnaise in the world right here. This shit is like getting emu crap and mixing it with something white to make mayonnaise. That's the kind. If you see that, don't buy it. And we don't have any more frickin' mayonnaise anywhere. So, come here. Get it. Come on, hurry up. See, it doesn't even really want to eat it with no mayonnaise. Oh no, it'll take it.